Crafting the perfect ad campaign can be challenging, especially when it comes to finding the right balance between the brand messaging and creative freedom. At Aurora Creators, we've seen firsthand how overly restrictive ad briefs can sometimes backfire. When influencers are not given the creative freedom they need, the results can be less than ideal, impacting both the creator and the brand. Let's dive into some of the issues that arise from this. First, there's the issue of authenticity. When the ad reads are too rigid and don't align with the influencer's unique voice and style, the content can feel disingenuous. This lack of authenticity can damage the trust that influencers have spent years building with their audience. Then there's misaligned messaging. Overly scripted ads can feel out of place in the influencer's regular content, disrupting the natural flow of their programming. This disruption can cause the viewers to lose interest or even tune out, something no influencer or brand would want. When the ad feels jarring and impersonal due to lack of creative freedom, the audiences are less likely to engage. This leads to decreased engagement metrics, which directly impacts the overall success of the campaign. Then there is ad fatigue. When the ads are repetitive and lack a genuine connection, they can quickly lead to viewer burnout. Over time, this ad fatigue can significantly reduce the effectiveness of a campaign, making it harder to achieve the desired results. How do we prevent these issues and ensure consistently strong performance? Well, the answer lies in balance. It's all about finding that sweet spot between sticking with the brand guideline and allowing creative flexibility. Brands need to allow influencers more autonomy in how they present their sponsored content. By giving influencers the flexibility to adapt the messaging to their own style and audience, brands can maintain authenticity and keep engagements high. When both sides work together, influencer campaigns can deliver authentic, engaging content that truly resonates with the audience and deliver results for the brands. But now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the challenges of inflexible influencer ad briefs? Share your insights in the comments below.